do not recommend doing 60 miles an hour over a really wet cattle guard. But honestly, I don't think any tire would have done that well. Even in the pouring rain, this is just a beautiful area. Look at this. Stunning. Unfortunately, we're going slower now, and I'm starting to feel like I'm getting hit with, I don't know, hail? I wonder if any of that will be picked up on the mic, because I'm hearing like clink, 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 clink. Oh well. Elk Mountain Campground. Yep, this is where I'm going. We're off to find somebody who's in this place. For the record, he gave me instructions, directions. I just don't have them with me. Damn, somebody just left a perfectly good motorcycle. Who leaves a motorcycle at their campsite and walks away? That's dangerous. Well, now you know who I was going to look for.